Hello and welcome to the future of payment processing. Customize your payments and get paid faster with airSlate's payment automation. From now on, your operations team has a wonderful opportunity to streamline its payment processes and customize payments as soon as all the necessary documents are completed. This integration makes it easy for businesses to make payments in a secure and efficient manner, helping them eliminate delays and any risk of non-payment. Watch this video to learn how to get started with automating your payment collection processes so you can quickly see results.
Customize and process payments as soon as your documents are completed with the airSlate integration for Stripe. To use this option, in your airSlate account, create a new flow or select the template you are currently working on. Then proceed to Documents. From the Add New dropdown, click Create from Scratch and then Payment Request. Once the document editor opens, connect your Stripe account, choose a currency, and make payment collection optional or required. Add a description to the form, specify the product's price and quantity, and add an image if needed. You can use the prefill bots to automatically populate the payment amounts from different documents or apps in the payment processing form. Click Show Preview to see how your form will appear to recipients. When finished, click Save. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Go to airslate.com to get your free 30-day trial that you can cancel anytime.